When I first started guitar building, I knew I needed double-sided tape to hold my templates, so I bought the first package I found that said double-sided tape, because they're all the same, right?
Wrong! Wrong!
Yeah, that did not go well. When you build your guitar, don't make the same mistake I did and buy just any old double-sided tape. I learned the hard way that using the wrong kind can cause a gouge in your guitar body or even damage your templates. There are a lot of other uses for double-sided tape, which explains why there are so many kinds available. They're mostly all made for other purposes, and what makes them good at those things usually makes them bad for guitar building. The first thing you want to avoid is anything that's thick or has foam in the middle. Thick tape can compress when you put your template on the body blank. When it compresses, it can wiggle a tiny bit, even though it's technically still stuck down. And what'll happen is, when you're routing, the template will push in too far and you'll take a bite out of your body. Another thing you'll want to keep away from is anything that's labeled carpet tape. It's usually super strong, and when you pull the template off the body blank, you might pull some wood fibers out, or you might break your templates trying to separate them from the body blank. It only had to happen to me once or twice before I changed to another kind of tape. But believe me, you'll never want to make that mistake again. Guitar builders don't need to use carpet tape to permanently attach a template to a body blank. What we do need is double-sided tape that holds our templates firmly in place so that we can route safely without taking a gouge out of the body or launching it across the shop. What we need is the good stuff. This is the good stuff. It's my favorite double-sided tape for holding templates. Let me tell you what makes it good. This tape has excellent shear resistance. Most double-sided tape is considered good if it's super sticky and just keeps the two things stuck together so you can't pull them apart. When we're routing, we're actually pushing down on the template. We're not pulling up. So sticking power is not the only thing we want. When you're routing around your template, you're pressing the router firmly up against the template to keep it snug. That pushing action is actually trying to push the template sideways, not lift it up. So we want our double-sided tape to resist the sideways push. Not to go all sciencey on you.
Yes, science!
But that resistance to sideways force is what engineering types would call shear resistance. As an added benefit, you don't need a razor blade or a knife in the shop to cut this. It just tears like masking tape. And most importantly, it's easy to get the template off without damaging it or the body. Here's a pro tip. When the template starts to come loose, don't keep pulling up, start pulling sideways. Tape will come loose easier that way. Now that you're a double-sided tape ninja, watch this video and get some ideas for your next build.